It is a pleasure to receive so many things which are actually a surprise and which adds a lot of colors in your life, isn't it? Same happens when you get lot of freebies. Well, I still remember when we got a pack, internet pack, there were so many things we just got without paying anything, just absolutely free. Do you also love to receive freebies? I'm sure we all do love. But there is something more to it. You just cannot survive on freebies, can you? You need to spend money in case you want to achieve something. Well, there are so many people who have been offering lot of things free of cost. But that doesn't solve our purpose. Just for a touch base, it is perfectly fine. I'm talking about the online workshops, all the certifications that are happening, and all the online courses. If you are thinking of just attending only the free sessions and then in the end you expect big results, forget it then. Don't treat all these things as like, you know, magic will happen. Freebies can never create a magic in your life. I know that we all love freebies, but my dear friends, you need to pay the price in case you want to achieve a big success, in case you want a big transformation in your life. If you want something great,